Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports Esim and is unlocked. Once done, open Settings and tap Add Cellular Plan or Add Esim. Make sure Wi-Fi or a data connection is active. Position the QR code on another screen or printout. You'll need steady alignment. If the carrier gave an activation code or ICSID, have it visible as a backup. This immediate setup step avoids delays and lets you scan the code without jumping between apps. Next, you scan or enter the info to add the Esim profile. Open Add Cellular Plan and point the camera at the carrier QR. If scanning fails, choose Enter Details manually and type the SMDP Plus or activation code. Once the profile appears, assign a label and select whether it becomes your default for voice, text, or data. You'll download the profile. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi if the carrier requires it. When prompted, toggle the line on so the plan becomes active. To finish, restart your device and check for signal bars and the carrier name, then make a test call and load a web page. If service doesn't appear, make sure the plan is enabled in cellular settings, then retry scanning or manual entry. Once done, contact your carrier if activation still fails, ask them to reissue the QR or confirm the SMDP Plus details. A key troubleshooting tip: remove the Esim profile, reboot, and re-add it while keeping the ICSID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.